How to find font in Canva. So first open up Canva, and then you can just open up a blank design, or you can open up one that has already design on it. Okay, so let's say we want to find a font. So what you can do here is just click on text here and then make sure you add a text. So let's say you already have a text here like this one. You can just click on that, and then you can just, oh wait, this is a signature, so I can't really use that. So if you don't have text yet, you can just click on a text box like this one, and then just type in something, anything, and then click on that again, and you can see the font option here at the top. Click on that, and then you can see all of the fonts available in Canva. Okay, so if you want to find a specific font, you can just click on the search bar here and then type in your font. So let's say I'm going to type Roman here, and then click on that font, and there you go. Okay, so that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.